gang, it's your gravy to go, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be doing a prank on my uncle, and it's like 3:30 in the morning, like, but me and my cousin Alex, she leave for college today, sophomore season, but we about to vacuum, like we finna vacuum his lips while he sleep. So we finna take the vacuum in his room, set this camera up, and get this prank going, cause it's gonna be a successful prank. Cause he sleep, like dead ass sleep, huh? But y'all spam in the comment section, you know what I'm saying? Get this video a thumbs up, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget none of that. Follow me on all my social medias. Let's take this in. I was just straightening up. I just walked in here to look at the adapter, right? Because I was going to prank somebody else. Then I was just like, I'm going to just prank him. Oh, he getting up. He getting up. Alright guys, so right now we're just struggling to put this camera up, but she just gonna hold the camera and we gonna do it. Bro. It was a prank, bro. It was a prank.
Right.
Your lips was finna be gone.
It was gone.
Hey, y'all. Hey, Alex, get this. He talking about some that's not funny. Hey, Alex, get this.
My nipple stuck in that damn machine.
Yeah, gang, y'all know. Okay, guys, so y'all know I had to add a little something for the gang, you know what I'm saying? Since it was really short, I'm going to do a part 2 right now on my sister. Because she the only one that haven't got pranked yet. So I'm going to do a part 2, and I'm me and my cousin go do the, we go vacuum her lips. We'll do her lips go. Well, we finna set this camera up, dog, because it's finna be lit, bro. This finna be part 2. 2 pranks in 1. Oh, yeah, we finna be lit. Come on. Come on, subscribe. Let's go. And here we go. We finna have to struggle with this. Usually I told you this, right? Wait. Nobody lips. All they lips on, not attached tonight. So. Alright, gang, that was the last of that video. I tried to do a part 2 and it was like a film. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that post notification. Follow me on all my social medias down in the description box. And until further video, we out.